Hi folks, this is Anthony Fuller again. Today we're going to be talking about another small 14-foot trailer. This is a 145 rear bath RB by Jayco. This one also, the one thing people like about the Jaycos is that they have this front window. It adds a lot more light to it. This trailer is about 2,900 pounds, so if you have a smaller truck or a smaller V6, you should be able to tow this one. So give us a call about weights. That way we can make sure we get you a safe weight. This trailer up front here, you have your propane. If you come around the side here, all the Jaycos come with a 2-year warranty. Ask us questions about that. Also, this one comes with the power awning with the LED light, has outside speakers. So if you're at the concert or you're just having fun around the trailer, you can play your music from your phone directly outside. Come here. Okay, so the first thing, it does have heat and AC. Here's your thermostat for your heat. And if you come on in here, there's a closet right there that I really like. Hanging closet for clothes when you come in out the chilly weather. Okay, and then over here, storage up above, plenty of storage for you. And then you have this long bench right here, which this turns into a bed. So you put this table down, push these cushions in, and you have a bed right here. But again, this is for people that's looking for something really small and easy to tow away and go out for the weekends or for a long camping trip. You have a lot of counter space right here, more storage. This is your heating source right here. Has the Bell 4 floors, so ask us about the Bell 4 floors. Cold and crack resistant floors on this one. Tongue and groove plywood, not OSB. Also has a little vent right here, and you have your 2 burners. And then come check out the restroom. Also, this trailer has inside speakers also, and you have an entertainment system here. It is Bluetooth, and you can plug your phone in here, so there's a USB plug right there. So yeah, this 145 RB by Jayco is a great trailer. If you guys looking for something small, easy to pull away, and very reasonable price, this is the trailer for you. Give me a call, Anthony Ant-Man Fuller, 541-653-2818.